Hey guys, Miss Wilfong here. Question number 5 of Parallelograms Part 2. They want us to figure out which of the following correctly fills in the blank space in the conclusion of the paragraph proof. So basically we're looking at a triangle proof, but they're doing everything except what is congruent by CPCTC or corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So we know because it's a parallelogram that the opposite sides are parallel. So we know that side AD and side BC are congruent, and we know that side AB and CD are congruent. We also know that the alternate interior angles are congruent. So that means angle 1, they tell us, is congruent to angle 4 because they are alternate interiors. And angle 2 and angle 3 are also congruent because they are also alternate interior angles. And then because AC is shared by both triangles, using the reflexive property, they said that AC is congruent to AC. So therefore they have enough information to say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA by the angle side angle theorem. Therefore, what is true by CPCTC? Well, let's see. We know that AB. Do we know that AB is congruent to AD? Well, based on the information we have, no, we do not. What about angle B and angle D? So angle B right here and angle D right here. Could they be congruent by CPCTC? Well, if we know the triangles, both of these triangles are congruent, then we know, I'm going to put 3 arcs on here, then we know that angle B has to be congruent to angle D by the third angle theorem and also by CPCTC. So that would be our choice. But let's look at our other options just in case. So they also have angle BAD. Let's see, where is angle BAD? BAD. They're saying that's congruent, or they want to know if that's congruent to angle DCB. Because these angles are actually taking part in both triangles, so part of angle ABD is in the top triangle and the other part of it is in the bottom triangle, as the same situation is also true with angle DCB. These angles would not be congruent because of CPCTC. They're congruent simply because of the fact that it is a parallelogram that we're looking at. So that does not meet the criteria for CPCTC, so we won't choose that one. And the other, we already knew that they gave us that angle 1 is congruent to angle 4, so that would not fit for the blank that we would need to fill in. So that's why our good conclusion is going to be that angle B is congruent to angle D. Hope that helps.